So we've now got to the end of section 5, and let's just finish off with a summary. And in this particular section, we've looked at our folder structure and we've made some changes and we've improved the organization of our React project. Now, as I mentioned, there's a few different ways of organizing your files and folders, and the way that I'm demonstrating may not be the right way for you. And how you organize files and folders in your application, entirely your decision. And the way that we're doing it on this course really comes down to my personal preference. Then we looked at building our CRUD app, and we finally got something that resembles an application. And we did that by using React hooks. We've also taken a look at forms in React, and this is very early in the course, and we will look at an alternative approach for forms in React because we haven't covered anything like validation at this point, and it becomes a bit complicated to introduce validation into a pure React project that doesn't have a forms library associated with it. So there are some popular options for forms, and we'll introduce one of them later on. And of course, we're using semantic UI for our styling. But at the moment, our application is very local. It's not persisting the data back to our API. So what we'll take a look at next is Axios, and we'll look at creating methods to persist our data back into the API.